Have you ever wondered what the temperature of the moon is? It's not as straightforward as you might think. Today we're delving into the moon's mystifying temperatures. Unlike our home planet, the moon doesn't have a constant temperature. In fact, it varies drastically, and here's why. The moon lacks an atmosphere, that protective blanket around Earth that regulates our temperature. Without it, the moon is exposed to the harsh extremities of space. Now consider the sun's influence. When the moon basks in sunlight, its temperature soars. But without the sun's rays, the moon's temperature plummets. It's a stark contrast, a bit like stepping from a sauna straight into a deep freeze. So, the moon's temperature is a study of contrasts, a testament to the harsh realities of space. It's not about averages or constants, it's about the extreme highs and lows. So, the moon's temperature isn't a one-size-fits-all answer, it's a celestial body of extremes. Now let's talk about the dark side of the moon, or rather the side not facing the sun. This part of our lunar neighbor is a bone-chilling place where temperatures plummet to extremes. Picture this, a chill so deep, it reaches as low as -173 degrees Celsius. Yes, you heard it right, -173. But why is it so cold? The answer lies in the absence of sunlight. Without the sun's rays to provide heat, this side of the moon is left in a state of perpetual night, and with it, a constant deep freeze. It's a stark contrast to the sunlit side of the moon, which can sizzle at temperatures higher than boiling water. Even the toughest of earthly winters pale in comparison to the icy conditions on the moon's dark side. So, if you're planning a lunar vacation, you might want to pack some serious winter gear. On the flip side, what happens when the moon is exposed to direct sunlight? Well, it's quite the opposite of the chilly dark side. The moon's sunlit surface turns into a veritable furnace, with temperatures soaring up to a sizzling 127 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to boil water and then some. Why such an inferno, you ask? It's all down to the sun's rays hitting the lunar surface directly, without any atmospheric filter to temper their intensity. You see, unlike Earth, the moon lacks a substantial atmosphere. This means the sun's energy isn't scattered or absorbed before it reaches the surface. It's a direct, full-force solar punch. And it's not just the intensity of the sunlight. The moon's surface, made of dark, heat-absorbing materials, also plays a role in cranking up the temperature. So the moon's surface is a place of extreme temperatures, scorching hot in the sunlight and freezing cold in the shadows.